And since our stuff is NSF approved, you can put it in all these kitchens, food processing plants, or supermarkets.
Say a little bit more about what the NSF is.
Okay, I'm sorry. NSF is National Sanitation Foundation. And it's the little sticker here. Everything in a restaurant has to be NSF approved before you put it in. Even utensils, cleaning equipment, everything is NSF approved. The ovens, everything. We're the only pesticide out there that is NSF approved. So you can put it in while everybody's still cooking or cleaning, or you don't have to pull everything out like when you fumigate. So it's actually revolutionary. So we've done kitchens, food processing plants. We did the BEST egg laying facility in Greenville, Ohio.